Here's how to remove text from a video using CapCut. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your CapCut application. Then open the project. If you added the text in the CapCut, you can open your project, select the text box and delete it. If you didn't create the video or don't have the project file, for the CapCut Pro users, you can use the AI remove tool to automatically remove the text. And for a free CapCut user, you can zoom and crop. So select the project, then go ahead, select crop, and simply crop out the text in the video. Then tap on the done button in the top right. And that's it. The text will be removed instantly from the video and will be resized. Another thing you can do is you can zoom in. You can change the aspect ratio if needed, like from vertical to landscape, depending where the text exactly is. And if the text only appears in the section of the video, you can cut and delete that section. And you can also use the overlay. Cover the text, overlay the text with other elements or replacement of the text. You can go ahead and add stickers or emojis or anything that you prefer, and then add any stickers that you like and simply paste it over the text to cover it. You can also edit furthermore to make it more natural and presentable. The best method depends on your video and the text placement. So for more CapCut tips and tricks, you can go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.